Seasons of play in the magical village of Green Grove, nestled between hills and dales, 4 children, Lily, Sam, June, and Max, found wondrous adventures as the seasons marched from one to the next. In spring, the world was a canvas of fresh blooms. The kids played among the wildflowers in the meadow behind the school, making daisy chains and chasing the ever-elusive butterflies that danced in the air. They jumped in puddles left by April showers, laughing as mud splashed on their rain boots. As summer unfurled its warm embrace, the quartet camped by the brook of Bella. They caught fireflies tea flickered like little stars in the twilight, storing them in jars with holes poked in the lids, only to release them after their dances lit up the night. Sandcastles rose and fell on the banks of the creek, each more elaborate than the last. When autumn painted the leaves in shades of fiery oranges and reds, the kids traded their swimsuits for sweaters. They spent their days in the crunchy embrace of fallen leaves, held hearty races through the forest, collecting pine cones and acorns, treasures of the woods. Halloween brought ghost stories and pumpkin carving, their faces glowing as much as the ickering faces they carved. Winter, with its gentle snowfalls, wrapped Green Grove in a quilt of silence. Lily, Sam, June, and Max embraced the chill, forts and snowmen springing from packed snow, while spirited snowball fights painted rosy cheeks even rosier. They skated on the frozen lake, forming a chain as they slid across the ice, their laughter echoing through the crisp air. With each season, Green Grove offered endless games and lessons, and in return, the children gave it their laughter and footprints. Seasons changed, but their boundless joy and friendships remained, timeless and enduring.